What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x80248007. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this Windows Update error code, the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot until you see this troubleshoot settings thing pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooters, and once you click into this, you're going to get into the actual troubleshooting page where we're basically going to fix it. So once you click into this, you're going to see this pop up. In here, click into the Windows Update, and literally there's a troubleshooter for Windows Update itself. So you want to run this troubleshooter and see if this fixes it for you. If you run through this and it still doesn't fix it for you, the next thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in services until you see this pop up. And in here, you're going to look for something called Windows Update and Windows, there's two, Update Medic Service. So you're going to look for both of these, right click into them, go into properties. In here, you're going to change them from manual or disabled to automatic, and if they're not running, start it, and if they are running, stop it and start it again. And then restart your computer and try to do the Windows Update, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.